Last year things went great using these straw bales as a place for growing tomatoes and celery and green beans and sugar snap peas. And some people asked, how did I get the straw bales ready? I did it all organically. Did not use any artificial fertilizers or anything. The straw is filled with lots of carbon material, but not very much nitrogen. So basically, I've got my straw here, my straw bales. I've got 3 of them in this spot. And I throw some extra twine on the sides of them here because over the course of the winter and the spring and summer they do tend to fall apart. The original bit of twine or string that's on them can easily loosen up, and so that's one way to help keep them together. And then, as you can see, I put some dirt or soil on top. Actually, this is either some of this is compost and some of this is actually remnants and bits that are left from the straw bales from last year. So I put those on top so that as the rain water comes down, it kind of washes the soil through the straw bales and therefore helps them to compost over the winter. Also, I like to add some nitrogen to them, and the easiest free source of liquid nitrogen that I know of is human urine. So basically, I pee into this milk jug while I'm inside the house in my bathroom, and when it gets filled, I come along and pour it on in. And even just doing a gallon or 2 or 3 a week of this from throughout the winter. Maybe once a week I'll get out here with a gallon or 2 and pour it in, and that helps over the winter to have the nitrogen that the microorganisms need for composting, along with the carbon that's in there within the straw bales to begin with. And that's basically the way that I do my over-the-winter composting right within the straw bale to get the straw bale ready for the spring when I'm going to do my planting right into the straw bale itself.